Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about operator precedence and associativity in the C programming language. So first of all, what is meant by precedence? So precedence gives the priority here. Okay, the priority for each and every operator. Okay, so we know that operators means, so it may be addition, arithmetic operations, logical operations, relational operations, any operations. Okay, so in the previous video we have learned about the different types of operations that we are going to apply in C language. So here we are going to run the statement here. So in the given expression we are going to execute the operator. So which operator must be executed first? So that will be known with the help of the operator precedence table. Okay, so here each and every operator is given certain priority. So here the higher priority operators are given more priority to execution. Okay, so if in the given statement there are a number of operators, means only the higher priority will be given the first chance to run. Okay, so later the lower priority operators will be executed. So operator precedence means it determines which operator must be evaluated first when an expression has more than one operators. Okay, so that means here when in the given expression if there is more than one operator, then so operator precedence plays a key role here. Okay, it tells that which operator must be evaluated first when the expression is having more than one operator. Okay, so let us see. So suppose if you are having a expression here 2 plus 3, that means answer is 5. Okay, so we can simply evaluate this one. And if suppose there is a 2 or more operators, then it will be there will be some small problem. So there will be some doubt which operator must be evaluated first. So in the given expression, if you take, so it will give two types of answers. So 2 plus 3 into 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5 into 5, 25. Okay, and another one is 3 into 15 is 3 into 5, 15 plus 2, 17. So it gives two answers. Okay, so based on the evaluation, on the type of evaluation, that so if you are first evaluating the addition operation, then it gives this answer, and if you are evaluating the multiplication operation first, then it gives this answer. Okay, so here the same expression is giving two different answers. So this is the ambiguous, right? So that's why operator precedence plays a key role here. It determines the grouping of terms in an expression. When an expression contains more than one operator, then the order in which the operators are evaluated depends on the precedence levels. So if there is a operator with higher precedence, then it is evaluated before a lower precedence operator. Okay, so here in the given table you can see, so we are having the addition and multiplication operators, right? So here the multiplication is having more priority than the addition and subtraction operation. So that's why we have to execute the multiplication operation first. So that is 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2, 17. So this is the correct answer for this given expression if you execute it with the operator precedence table. So next one is, okay, so here given that in an expression if there is more than one operator, we are going to execute it, evaluate it based on the priority. So what suppose if the in the given expression if there is same priority operators here. Okay, so if here the multiplication is having more priority than addition, but what suppose is the same expression, the expression is having same priority operators. So for that we are going to the associativity. So it is used in when there are two or more operators of the same priority in the expression. Okay, so if the precedence levels of operators are same, then the order of evaluation depends on their associativity or grouping. So this affects how an expression is evaluated. Okay, so first here if you see the example here, the multiplication and division are both having the same priority. So if you observe this in the given table, so multiplication and division are having the same priority. Okay, so that's why we are going for the associativity. So associativity here for the multiplication and division is left to right. Okay, so here there are two operators of same priority, so we have to evaluate it left to, starting from left to right. Okay, so 5 into 3 is 15, so 15 by 2 is 7.5. Okay, so this is the answer for the given expression. Okay, so this is how we will evaluate the expression based on the priority, operator precedence and associativity. Okay, so this is the operator precedence and associativity table. So here the operators with the highest precedence appear at the top of the table, and those with the lowest precedence appear at the bottom of the table. So within an expression, higher precedence operators will be evaluated first. Okay, so here the parenthesis and dot operator, postfix increment or decrement, and arrow operator are having the highest priority than all the other operators. And if you observe here, postfix increment and decrement have the higher precedence than prefix increment and decrement. Okay, so here, so postfix is having higher priority than the prefix. Okay, and here if we check the associativity, so here almost all the operators are having the left to right associativity. So except for the prefix, unary operators, typecasting, indirection, address of operator and size of operator, these are having the right to left, and ternary operator or condition operator is having the right to left, and assignment operator and bitwise operators are having the right to left associativity. So except these three, so all operators are following the left to right priority associativity. Okay, so let us solve the given expression. So this expression follows the, it needs the operator precedence and associativity and typecasting. Okay, so this expression will consider all these things. So when an expression contains all types of operators, so here we are having the operators and the operands. So then to evaluate the expression, one should follow the operator precedence and associativity along with the typecasting techniques. So to see how an expression is evaluated, let us consider an arithmetic expression here. So we are going to solve it step by step by applying the precedence and associativity of the operators. And here assume that, so a variable x is given here with the expression, and let us assume that x is of integer type. Okay, so to solve this expression, first we are going to check the operator precedence and associativity table here. Okay, so in the given expression, float, modulus, addition, multiplication, division and subtraction, so these are the operators present here. So first we are going to check the precedence here, precedence table. So here in the precedence table, the multiplication, division and modulus, so these operators are having the higher priority, and the parenthesis here, so parenthesis is having the first priority. So let us sort out the expression in the parenthesis. So evaluate the inner parenthesis here, so because it is having the highest priority here. So let us solve this one. So the answer will be, so 2 plus 3 into 6 by float 2, so plus and minus of 3% 2, right? So minus of 3% 2. Means 1, right? For the modulus operation, we are going to take the remainder. So the answer will become 1 here. So minus of 1. Okay. So next, So we have to evaluate the unary minus here. Okay, so here we have to evaluate the unary minus, and then the expression will become, so 2 plus 3 into 6 by float of 2 plus minus 1, because it is in the parenthesis, so we are going to evaluate it first. So next, so we have to, so which one we have to evaluate so let us check that one in the table. Okay, so here addition, sorry, multiplication, division and modulus operation, and then the typecasting. So here it is given the typecasting, right, in the second one. So typecasting is having the highest priority, so we have to evaluate this typecasting. That is float of float 2. So 2 plus 3 into 6 by, so float of 2 means it will become 2.0. So we are going to convert the integer value 2 into float type. So 2.0 plus minus 1. Okay, so now, so which one is having the highest priority here? Multiplication and division is having the highest priority. And here, so here the associativity plays a key role here, because in the given statement, so we are having both the multiplication and division operators here, which are having the same priority and same precedence, right? So that's why we have to follow the associativity here. It is a left to right associativity. Okay, so we have to solve it from starting from left to right. So 2 plus 3, 3 into 6, that is 18. Okay, so 3 into 6 is 18 by 2.0 plus minus 1. Okay, and then so the next one is, so 2 plus 18 by 2 is 9.0 plus minus 1. And then here, so 2 plus 9, so here, so addition and subtraction, so we are having the addition operation, so with the same priority, right? So here both pluses are of equal precedence, but associativity is of left to right. Okay, so 11.0 plus minus 1. Okay, so that means, so 11.0 plus minus 1. So here we are adding the integer value plus floating value. So the int plus float will become float value only, that is 11.0 plus minus 1. So now evaluate the addition expression here, and the expression will become, so 11 minus 1 is 10.0. So here the answer is 10.0. So here we are subtracting the float plus of minus int, right? So the answer will become float only. Okay, and then so here the answer is x equals to 10.0. Okay, but actually the x is declared as integer variable, but the answer is here floating variable. So that's why here typecasting will be done. Okay, so here, so the typecasting will be done, and the 10.0 will be converted to 10. Okay, so here we are going to perform the assignment operation, and x will become 10. Okay, so that's why, so this is the given answer for the given expression based on the operator precedence, associativity and typecasting techniques. And this is about the operator precedence and associativity. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.